Alright, so if you're getting into Amazon FBA, or you're already selling and want to take your business to the next level, you've probably come across two popular tools for finding products, helping with keyword research, and managing everything that goes into building a successful Amazon business, and that's Helium 10 and Jungle Scout. Now, I've personally used both in my Amazon business, testing them out for product research, listing optimization, and tracking sales, and they both have their own benefits, depending on what you're looking for. So in this video, I'm going to break down what each one offers, what I found helpful, and where I think they could do better. So hopefully by the end, you'll have a good idea of which one makes more sense for you. Also, please watch all the way to the end so you can hear my final decision on which one might be the best option for your business. And if you're thinking about trying out Helium 10, you can use the code OPTIMIZE10 at checkout to get 10% off of all their plans forever. And for Jungle Scout, you can use their discounted affiliate link that I left down in the description below, where you'll get a discount that you wouldn't be able to get by going just about anywhere else, even directly through their website. That said, let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start with Helium 10, which is a tool I've been using for a while and has become a go-to for managing my Amazon FBA business. Helium 10 includes features designed to help sellers with everything from finding profitable products to optimizing their listings and tracking performance. One thing I really like about Helium 10 is how everything is in one place. Like, you don't have to keep going between different tools or tabs to get things done. That used to drive me crazy with other platforms. But with Helium 10, everything's right there in one place. And when it comes to product research, their black box tool is super helpful. You can set filters like price, demand, and competition. So instead of spending hours going through random products, you can actually find ideas that make sense for you. I've used it to find products I probably would have missed on my own. And once you've got something in mind, their X-ray tool, which is part of the Chrome extension, gives you a clear breakdown of what's going on with that product, like how much revenue it's pulling in, how many reviews it has, and if the sales are steady. And that actually helped me avoid a few products that looked good at first, but weren't actually worth the risk once I saw the numbers. Another area where Helium 10 really helps is with your product listings. They've got tools like Scribbles and Listing Builder that make it super easy to write better titles, bullet points, and descriptions that actually show up in search engines and catch people's attention. So you're not just randomly picking keywords and hoping they work. Plus, their tools Cerebro and Magnet work really well together. Cerebro basically shows you the exact keywords your competitors are ranking for. You just put in their ASIN, and then Magnet helps you find even more keywords that people are actually searching for. When you use both together, it just makes the entire process of building a good listing way easier and less stressful. Another feature I found really helpful is the Profits tool. It keeps track of your sales and breaks down everything, like revenue, expenses, and profit margins, so you can actually see how your products are doing. It's a great way to plan ahead, especially when you need to reorder inventory or figure out where you might be overspending. And if you're trying to prepare for seasonal spikes, the Trendster Tool is good for that. It shows you what products are trending so you can stock up before demand goes up. I mean, that tool alone has saved me from missing out on sales during busy times. Now, the automation features can save you a lot of time. For example, you can set up alerts to keep track of your product rankings, review changes, or inventory updates, so you know what's going on without constantly checking it manually. Plus, their Helium 10 ads is perfect for managing Amazon PPC campaigns, which takes care of the hard work for you, like adjusting bids and refining targeting, but still lets you customize and fine-tune your ad strategy tailored to your business. Besides that, Helium 10 has tutorials and resources that explain how to use each tool step by step, and there's also a private Facebook group where you can connect with other sellers to share tips and ask questions. So overall, Helium 10 is one of the most powerful tools out there for Amazon sellers, whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your business. Once you get everything set up, it makes running your FBA business way more effective and gives you the insights you need to grow and save time so you can focus on other important aspects of your business. Okay, so now that we talked about Helium 10, let's move on to Jungle Scout, which has been one of the most reliable tools for Amazon sellers for years. I've personally used Jungle Scout for a couple of projects, and it's one of those tools that really makes the entire process of selling on Amazon a lot simpler and offers a ton of features to help you succeed. Jungle Scout is designed to help you find products that can actually make you money and help you make smarter decisions along the way. And one of its best features is the product database, where you can filter by things like sales, competition, competition and profit margins, so you're not wasting hours going through random listings. They also have the Opportunity Finder, which is great for finding niches that have high demand but less competition, giving you a better chance at success. Plus, Jungle Scout makes keyword research easier with tools like Keyword Scout, which helps you find the best keywords to rank your products higher on Amazon. Plus, it gives you data like search volume, trends, and competition, so you can optimize your listings and ad campaigns effectively. Another tool I've personally found super helpful, especially when I was just starting out, is the Supplier Database. If you've never sourced a product before, this makes the process way less stressful. You can look up legit suppliers, compare pricing, and even see which ones other sellers are already using, which really gave me more confidence in picking the right one. It's a really good way to avoid getting stuck with a bad manufacturer or overpaying for your product. On top of that, the Sales Analytics feature is great for tracking your revenue, profits, and even expenses like Amazon fees. This is really helpful for managing your business and identifying areas where you can cut costs or improve performance. And if you're running ads, Jungle Scout's PPC tools help you create, optimize, and manage your campaigns, so you can get the most out of your ad budget. Now, for beginners, there are some great resources to help you along the way. So if you ever get stuck, they have tutorials, guides, and even a private Facebook group where you can connect with other Amazon sellers. It's a great place to ask questions, share experiences, and learn from others who are also using the platform. To sum it up, Jungle Scout is one of the best platforms for Amazon sellers because it's designed to make every step of the process easier, from finding winning products to managing your sales. It covers everything that you need in one place. And so if you're serious about selling on Amazon, it's definitely a tool worth checking out, especially if you're a beginner. Alright, so that's all well and good, but how much does it all cost? If you're just starting out, Jungle Scout Starter Plan costs around $30 a month and includes the essential tools for product and keyword research, letting you track up to 50 products. For most sellers though, the Growth Accelerator plan that costs about $50 a month is a better option, since it includes more advanced tools like review automation, listing analyzer, a rank tracker, plus 1 year of historical keyword data. But if you're running a larger business or working with a team, the Brand Owner plus Competitive Intelligence plan costs just under $130 per month and offers deeper market insights, competitor tracking, and up to 2,000 tracked products. There's also an enterprise plan, Cobalt, with custom pricing for larger brands and agencies. On the other hand, Helium 10 offers a free plan, so you can test out their tools before committing, but it does of course come with limited access to a lot of their key features. Next, they have the Starter, which starts at about $30 a month and includes more advanced features. Instead of just the basics, you get tools like Black Box for product research, Cerebro, which helps you find the best keywords your competitors are using, making it easier to optimize your listings, and Trendster for tracking market trends. Then there's the Platinum plan, which I would personally recommend you go for and costs about $80 a month and comes with all the key tools for product research, listing optimization, and tracking sales. And if you're running a larger business or working with a team, the Diamond plan, which costs just about $230, might be worth it. It includes multi-user accounts and advanced analytics to make managing your business even easier. Now, neither platform offers a free trial, but they do come with a 7-day money-back guarantee. So if you try it out and decide it's not for you, you can cancel within the first week for a full refund. And again, if you decide to try out either Helium 10 or Jungle Scout, you can check out the special affiliate discounts in the description down below. It won't cost you anything, and you'll get a discount that isn't available if you go directly through their websites. Now, while both Helium 10 and Jungle Scout are very helpful tools for Amazon sellers, just like any product or service, they each have areas where they could improve. For example, with Helium 10, there's a bit of a learning curve. At first, it can feel like there are just so many tools, and it can be hard to know where to start. Like Cerebro and Magnet might seem confusing until you realize they're actually designed to work together, and that's when things start to click. But remember, they have tutorials that walk you through every step of the process, so even if you're confused at first, you'll get the hang of it. Now, while Jungle Scout is a little easier to use, If this is your first time selling on Amazon, it might take some time to get comfortable with all the features and how they work together. It's not a deal breaker, but just something to keep in mind. That said, once you get past the initial learning phase, most sellers find it really helpful and worth it. So wrapping up this review, how do you decide between Helium 10 and Jungle Scout? In my opinion, Helium 10 is a great option if you want a platform that covers everything, from product research and keyword tracking to listing optimization and inventory management. It's designed for sellers who are ready to grow and optimize their business using advanced features and tools. On the other hand, Jungle Scout is perfect for beginners or those looking for a more straightforward solution. It focuses on the essentials, making it easier to get started without being overwhelmed by too many options. Ultimately, the choice depends on where you are in your Amazon selling journey. Whether you're just starting out or ready to grow your business, both tools offer valuable features to help you succeed. So pick the one that best fits your needs and goals. And just as a quick reminder, if you decide to try out Helium 10, you can use the code OPTIMIZE10 at checkout to get 10% off of all their plans for life. And for Jungle Scout, you can use the discounted affiliate link that I left down in the description below, where you'll get a discount that you wouldn't be able to get by going just about anywhere else, even directly on their website. And I've also linked full in-depth reviews of both Helium 10 and Jungle Scout down below that go into even more detail about each feature and my personal experiences using them. So make sure to check those out if you want to learn more. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. And of course, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know down in the comments below. I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.